just came into residence and checking on my phone when the drone should arrive. Drone should be delivered today, and I went downstairs just coming from school and got up and it's here. I'm gonna do a brief unboxing of it just to show you what comes in the box, to just to show you if you should buy a Bebop One drone, what to expect or what to look forward in the box. Yeah, just talk about it a little bit. I'm not any unboxing tech, but I'll show you guys what's up with it. So just using my hand and kitchen knife here to see what's this. This is just to show the return. There's some other papers here. Put those aside. So this is the package box. This is what came in the delivery, FedEx, and this is the box that the drone comes in. Refurbished Parrot Bebop drone. Yep. Alright guys, just to tell you, this is not the box that the drone normally comes in. If you should buy it, it should come in a box that I'm going to show you. Should be showing it right now. That is how the box should look. It should look like this, because I don't know why I got this box. I don't know what this box for, but I don't care. This is the box that the drone comes in. You get your wall adapters here. See, adapter, plugs. You have all of your, get those out of the way. You get your Bebop charger. This is the wall charger. Get one extra battery in the package. If you need any extra batteries, you will have to order it yourself. So you get one extra battery, right? Okay, let's take this. Is your Bebop drone. The camera is a 14 megapixel still camera, fisheye lens. That means it gives you 180 degrees field of view. So this is the drone itself. At the side, in the remaining of the box, you get two. These are indoor flying holes, so you put these on when you're flying inside. You get the prop remover. If you ever buy a Bebop One drone, do not lose this, because this is the only correct way you can remove the props from the motor without damaging. If you guys have any questions about the drone, just please comment below and I'll answer them, or link you guys to somewhere you can get answers. I'm more familiar with this type of drone. I'm trying to get a Mavic Pro sometime in the future. It's really expensive, but with that I can do better stuff. I have more features, more capability to. If you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and if you have any questions, comment below. I'd like to thank Parrot for giving me a free replacement of my drone that I crashed a couple of weeks ago. I really appreciate it, and in the rest of the video, probably I will do a first flight of it and just to give you guys my feedback. I hope you guys enjoyed.